The universe is stranger and more wonderful than we can imagine. Everywhere we look, in every direction and at distances the human mind struggles to even conceive, and perhaps beyond the limits of our imaginable infinite, the cosmos stretches, our universal home. An endless immensity that envelops everything we know and everything we will never know. It is a space that holds timeless mysteries, celestial objects so vast and powerful they defy every known law of physics, and phenomena that not only surprise us but often intimidate us. Space is not just a distant, inaccessible place, it is our origin and our destination. Every molecule we are made of, every chemical element in our body, was born from the heart of ancient stars long dead, which exploded billions of years ago in colossal supernovae that scattered their elements into interstellar space. In a sense, we are children of the universe. However, this profound connection does not shield us from the sense of disorientation that space provokes. On the contrary, it forces us to confront existential questions. Who are we? Why do we exist? And what does it mean to be part of something so vast it seems eternal? For many, the vastness of the cosmos is an inexhaustible source of wonder. The awareness of belonging to such a grand universe pushes us to dream and explore, to seek answers among the stars, and to boldly move toward the unknown. However, for others, this same immensity generates unease. The awareness of how small, fragile, and insignificant we are in the face of the universe can trigger a profound, primal fear. Looking at images of deep space, with distant galaxies stretching like sparks in an infinite sea, reminds us of how alone we are in a dark and seemingly indifferent void. This sense of awe, blending fascination with anguish, is something many of us experience, consciously or unconsciously. And it is precisely this mix of emotions that makes the universe so incredibly captivating and, at the same time, so terrifying. This fear even has a name: astrophobia or cosmophobia. It is the fear of the unknown, amplified by the immensity of the universe and the awareness that most of what surrounds us will forever remain a mystery. Yet what makes this fear unique is that it is not limited to what we don't understand. Even what we do know about the cosmos can be equally terrifying. Every new discovery we make, every advancement in our understanding of the universe, only expands the boundaries of our awe and our terror. We find ourselves facing realities that seem to challenge not only the laws of physics but also our capacity to imagine. Take planets, for example. From childhood, we are used to imagining them as tranquil worlds, small globes gently orbiting their stars. But this idyllic image is far from reality. Planets are not islands of peace in the cosmic chaos. On the contrary, many of them are hostile, chaotic, and uninhabitable worlds. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, is a perfect example. With a diameter 11 times greater than Earth's and a mass 318 times that of Earth, Jupiter is an impressive colossus. It is a planet composed primarily of gas, with no solid surface to stand on. Its gravitational force is so powerful that it attracts and destroys everything that comes too close. If Earth were ever drawn into its orbit, it would be immediately crushed and dissolved into its layers of gas, eventually reaching a dark ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen within. It is a world that defies every notion of habitability, a place seemingly designed to repel any form of life. Yet Jupiter is not the only frightening planet in our solar system. Think of Venus, often called Earth's twin, because of its similar size. But the comparison ends there. Venus's surface is a hellscape. Temperatures exceeding 470 degrees Celsius, a dense and toxic atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid rain. It is a world lethal to any terrestrial life. And then there are the worlds beyond our solar system, exoplanets that defy all imagination. HD 189733b, for instance, is a planet 64.5 light-years away that, at first glance, appears beautiful with its deep blue color. But beneath this facade lies a true nightmare. Scorching temperatures, winds reaching 8,000 kilometers per hour, and storms of molten glass flung into the air like lethal blades. And let's not forget the stars, the pulsing hearts of the universe. Our Sun, so familiar and reassuring, is just an average-sized star. There are much larger and more powerful stars, like WO-G64, a red hypergiant with a radius 1,540 times that of the Sun. These stars, in their final stages, can explode in spectacular supernovae, releasing more energy in moments than the entire Milky Way produces. And then there are black holes, the most mysterious and terrifying remnants of dead stars. At their center lies a singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics break down. Nothing can escape their gravitational pull, not even light. Finally, there is the void itself, the silent darkness that envelops everything. Most of the universe consists of cold, desolate intergalactic spaces. Places like the Boötes void, a region approximately 330 million light-years across devoid of galaxies, represent cosmic nothingness in its purest form. Yet, amid all this, there is us. Tiny, yet endowed with minds capable of contemplating the whole. We are an improbable miracle, a flicker of life in a universe seemingly designed to be empty and indifferent. The universe, as frightening and incomprehensible as it may be, gives us the chance to exist, to reflect, to dream. It is a home that, while hostile, invites us to explore it, reminding us every day how precious and rare our life is on this small blue planet. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss the next videos.